Welcome to a sim code. Hi there. Thanks for joining today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Let's talk about Java abstraction. Abstraction in Java is all about hiding the complex details and only showing the essential features. Think of it like a TV remote. You don't need to know how the remote works inside. You just press the buttons to control the TV in Java. You can achieve abstraction using abstract classes and interfaces. An abstract class cannot be instantiated directly and has both abstract methods, methods without a body, and concrete methods with a body, while an interface defines a contract that other classes must follow. Both help reduce complexity, make the code more reusable, and allow classes to implement shared functionality in their own way. Abstraction simplifies your code by focusing on what the objects do, not how they do it. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe. Welcome to a deeper dive into Java abstraction, one of the coolest concepts in object-oriented programming. In this code, we are going to see how we use abstraction to hide complexity and focus on what's important. This is the animal class. It serves as an abstraction of any animal, not worrying about the specifics of each one, just the common properties and behaviors. Let's take a look at these variables. They are the data that define our animals, but notice how we keep them private. That's part of abstraction. We are hiding the inner details of our animal class from the outside world. The name of the animal is a string. It's hidden from external access directly, which is a great way to keep the focus on the animal's actions and not just the data. Similarly, the age of the animal is an integer. It's encapsulated within this class, meaning no one can directly change it without using a method. Now, this is an interesting part. We have defined max_age e as a constant. This represents the maximum age any animal can live. We are hiding the complex logic of age limits inside the class, giving us control while making it clear that no animal can live forever. No magic here. This is a constant, its value CA not be changed, making it a simple rule we apply to all animals. The constructor is a perfect example of abstraction. Instead of the user worrying about how the name and age are set, we abstract that complexity into this method. The user just calls it with the name and age, and the constructor does the rest. Constructor to set up a new animal with its name and age. Here, we set the animal's name. It's like we are initializing it, not exposing internal implementation details. Likewise, we set the age, but the world outside does not need to know how this is done, just that it happens. Here is where we start seeing abstraction in action. This method, displayInfo, hides the complexity of how the information is displayed. The user does not need to know how the details are printed, they just call this method, and voila, it prints everything about the animal. This is an abstracted method to show the animal's details. Prints the name of the animal, simple but powerful abstraction. Same for age, it's hidden from the outside world, but the method reveals just the info we want to share. Shows the maximum age, but again, the complexity of the rule is abstracted away. Here, the is alive method demonstrates another key point of abstraction. We are hiding the logic behind whether an animal is alive or not. The user does not need to understand how the age limit is checked, they simply ask if the animal is alive. This is an abstract method to check if the animal is alive. The logic is abstracted here. If the age is less than or equal to the max, we return true, otherwise false. Finally, the main method, this is where the program runs. We create an animal object and interact with it without needing to know the details. This is the entry point of the program. We create a new animal object named Buddy, who's 5 years old. Abstract, right? We just use the constructor without worrying about implementation. Call display info. We do not need to know how the information is printed, we just get to see it. Call is alive, simple check to see if Buddy is alive. No need to know how it's done behind the scenes. Now run our code. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun.